In this video, we're going to teach you how to remove your old pump and install a new one. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to unplug the pump from the light bar and bring the cord down the right side of the water feature. Then you'll want to come down here, remove the pebbles from the tray, remove the pebble beach shelf, and gently lift up the tray and remove it from the wall. Once we've gotten to this point, you'll want to snip off the existing zip tie and remove the hose from the pump. Now, to install the new pump, the first thing you're going to want to do once you get the pump out of the box is you're going to want to place a pump pad on the underneath side of the pump. Once you've done this, you want to take the pump and attach it to the hose. I generally like to keep the filter pointing back towards the back wall as you do this. Once you've put the pump on, you want to secure the hose to the pump with a zip tie. And trim the edge. Now you want to replace the tray. Once we've replaced the tray, you want to reinsert the pebble beach shelf. And place the pebbles back on the shelf. And the last thing that you're going to want to do is run the cord up the right side of the stone and plug it in the light bar.